guys, it's me Vrajesh here. I made another video of using Raspberry Pi and doing another program, another project. So today, what I'm going to do is, in this project, I'm going to use Python and Raspberry Pi. If I give I'm going to do a project that will say if it's even or odd. So, if I give an odd number, it has to say odd number. So look at this for a second, guys. Green means odd and red means even. If I give an odd number, green has to light up. And if I give an even number, the red has to light up. Guys, now I'll show you what's the program. Input RPI means Raspberry Pi, short form, and the GPIO is general purpose input output, and red LED pin means, come here guys for a second. Look, my red LED light is connected to the 11th pin, and the green one is connected to the 22 pin. And general purpose input output set mode, the same thing. The bread mode means it is connected to the breadboard. But GPIO set up red LED pin. That means, and general purpose GPIO out means it'll execute the program. And the next one, GPIO output a red LED pin, GPIO low. Low means when we start the program, it's not gonna light up straight away. It's just gonna wait.
Hi.
Just gonna wait, guys.
Welcome back, guys.
And the same thing for this one, but this is for green also. The first one is for the red LED light, and this is for the green LED light. And GPIO out, that means it's going to scan the program again. And GPIO low, that means it's going to off. It's going to stay off. Player input player choice. That means when you give a number, like if I give 3, the 3 is gonna go in the variable player. And now remainder player means if I give 3. When you give a number here, the choice, the number that you give is gonna stay in the player, and player mod 2. That means it's gonna divide the number that you gave, and if it's remainder 1, that means it's an odd number. If it's a remainder 0, that means it's an even number. If remainder 0, if it's remainder 0, this script is gonna execute this much. The 4 lines there is gonna execute. Or if it's remainder 1, this program is gonna script is gonna execute. If I'll tell you what happens here. This program will tell you to tell the light to light up for 3 seconds, and then in this script this will say it'll off, and the print odd LED on, and green LED pin GPIO high. High means on up, and sleep 2 means wait for 2 seconds, and low means off. Now I'm going to execute the program. Now I'll run the current script. Now it's asking player choice. Now I'll do it for the even. If I do an even number, the red light's gonna light up. I'll put a 2. Look, ready, set, go. Look, guys. Now it's on up. Now I'll put a even. Now I'll put an odd number. I'll put 3. Now the green light is gonna light up. Now I'll put a 4. The red is gonna on up. When I give a 5, the odd number is gonna light up. Whew. This is what if you keep on asking any numbers, even a big number, you can't trick the computer. It's just going to do everything right. I'll tell you why, and this is an easy way. What do? You look at the end of the number. If it's an even number, it has to end in a 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. And if it's an odd number, it has to end with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. That's it. That's how it knows. If you give a big number, it'll just look at the end and find out. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and comment down below what I have to improve, and you can ask me any questions, and don't forget to look at my other channels, Vrajesh, Loganathan. Look at that YouTube channel. I'll do cooking stuff and lots of cool stuff, and I'll unbox lots of things. And look at my mom's YouTube channel also, Hemavati Singaru Velu. Look at I'll tell it in the link in the description below. Any channels I have. Okay guys, see you next time. Bye.